Hey there. I'm really happy to give feedback for Pritam here. So we're a conversion optimization agency based in Spain. And when I reached out to Pritam, he came highly recommended from one of our collaborators we were working with at that time. Now, we were looking for somebody who doesn't only design funnels, but has a history of sales and understanding consumer psychology, customer psychology. And this is exactly what we found with Pritam. So while working with him, we realized that there was very less we had to inform him when it came to what we needed the funnel designs to look like, because he understands customer psychology like no other funnel builder that I've met before. And this made it very easy for us to meet our client delivery dates, our requirements, and even improving the work of some of the best content writers that we have on board. With regards to reviewing stuff, with regards to improvising, with regards to coming up with new idea, Pritam has just amazed us. We've had such a great experience with him, working with him initially, that we decided to continue and have him as our onboard funnel developer for all our projects. If you're looking for somebody who's not just a funnel developer, but will help you understand your customer psychology and will actually translate that into through his funnel designs, this is the guy to go. Pritam is your guy. Don't think twice. Your return on an investment is going to skyrocket if you work with Pritam. Cheers.